Good morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all to today's YouTube video. In the last video, we have started unit 6 verb past participle and we have seen there are three forms of the verb. First, present form, past form and the past participle form. And some examples also we have seen like laughed, 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 learn, learned, learned, begin, began, begun, become, became, become, swim, swam, swum. Basically, the past form of the verb, past form and the past participle, these two form of the verb ends with ed, an, d and t to form their past. Basically, that past form of the verb and the past participle form of the verb ends with ed, n, d and t like this. And even we have completed a focus exercise A also. Focus exercise A also we have completed, like that bracket was there, one table, and this table we have written the past form of the verb, the past participle form of the verb and the main verb also. Now today we are going to complete the practice exercise A. Practice exercise A. Now what is instruction is there in the practice exercise A. Complete the following sentences using the past form of the words given in the bracket. That means there are 6 sentences are there in the practice exercise A, and what you have to do, you have to write the past form of the given verb. In the bracket there are the first form of the verb, main verb is there. You have to write the past form of that word and complete the sentence. So let's complete the sentences by using past form of the verb. By using past form of the verb. So the first sentence is, I am writing the sentence on the board and you also have to write all the sentences in your notebook. This is our practice exercise. I write here. Geeta, blank space is there, want in the bracket. To go to the science fair. So I blank space, take in the bracket, take is there, her their last weekend. Now what to do here, we have to use the second form of the verb, that means the past form of the verb. So this want is there and take is there, so we just have to write at the blank space the second form, past form of the verb. So Geeta wanted to go to the science fair, so the second form of the take is took her there last weekend. This is, here we have written the past form of the given verb. Now the second sentence I write, the deer blank space in the bracket, run is there, run away. The moment we, again blank space, take out our cameras. So here also which verbs is there? There is run and take. So the deer, the second, the past form of the run is run, ran. The deer ran away. The moment we, take past form is took out our cameras. Now the third is when I, blank space in the bracket, tell Manasvi that I, blank space in the bracket, like reading. She, blank space, bracket, lent me her Harry Potter series. Now three verbs are there in the bracket, tell, like and lend. Now we have to write the past form of that given verb. So which will be there? When I told, tell, told. When I told Manasvi that I liked. I liked reading, she lent. Now here this lent, the past form is ending with T. She lent me her Harry Potter series. Now here also we have written the past form of the given verb. Now the fourth sentence I write, Mr. Holmes, blank space, stand in the bracket, the verb stand, near the table, listening, to Dr. Watson, then he, blank space in the bracket, pick verb is there, pick up his hat. Now how many verbs are there in the bracket? There are two verbs in the bracket. So Mr. Holmes stand, the second form stand is stood near the table listening to Dr. Watson. Then he picked up his hat. Here we have completed the 4 sentences by using the past form of the given verb. So you note down this all 4 sentences in your notebook. Then we'll complete the sentence number 5 and 6. Now I hope student the first and the second one you have written, so I just rub that, and let's write the fifth and sixth sentence. The first and second I am just rubbing. Raghu, sentence number 5. Raghu, blank space in the bracket, the verb meet is there. Read, yesterday. Then blank space in the bracket, go out for dinner and blank space, talk for hours. Now here also three verbs are there in that fifth sentence, so we just have to write the past form of the given verb. So Raghu meet, met. So what will come here? Raghu met, read, yesterday, then go, went, gone. So here will come went, then went out for dinner, and talked ed, and talked for hours. So here how the sentence became? Raghu met Reet yesterday, then went out for dinner and talked for hours. Now the sixth sentence. The wrestler blank space, pick in the bracket up the rod and blank space, bend it. The crowd blank space, look on in shock. So what the sentence? The wrestler pick up the rod and bend it. The crowd look on in shock. Now again three verbs are there in this sentence. We just have to write again the past form of the verb. So the wrestler picked. The wrestler picked. The wrestler picked up the rod and bent. bent it. The crowd looked on in shock. So here we use the past form of all the verbs which were given in the bracket. So this sixth sentence I read, the wrestler picked up the rod and bent it. The crowd looked on in shock. So here we have just completed all the 6 sentences by using the past form of the given verb. So you just note down this all in your notebook. Now I hope student you have written this. Now I just rub and let's see the extension exercise. Fill in the blanks using the past or past participle form of the verb within brackets. That means here also one passage is there. This is very big passage, so I cannot write this whole passage on the board. So I will just tell you the answer. You also take your GE book on page number 27 and that blank space you have to write the correct verb form. So I just rub this and let's do the extension exercise. Now fill in the blanks. What instruction is there? Fill in the blanks using the past or past form. In the practice exercise also in the bracket verbs were there and we just have written the past form of that. So here also the verb is written in the bracket. We have to write the past or past participle form of the given verb. So the first sentence I read, you also see in your GE book on page number 27. So the first sentence I read, one evening in 1995, Carrie Gordon Trantham was returning home from Florida where her daughter stay. In the bracket stay is written, but in the first sentence in the bracket B was there. In the bracket B was there, so before B we just have to write the second form of the B is was. The second form of the B is was and third form is been. So B was been. So here first sentence is already done. Now the second we have just write stay verb is there. So stay second form is stayed. What will come in the blank space? There will come stayed. In the bracket stay only written. The answer is stayed. The answer is stayed. So how will be the sentence? One evening in 1995, Carrie Gordon Trantham was returning home from Florida where her daughter stayed. Where her daughter stayed, in the blank space stayed. An experienced pilot, she was flying a small Piper Warrior over the open water. The sun was beginning to set. The sun was beginning to set when she, in the bracket enter is there. In the bracket enter is there. And here the blank space is there. So what will come on the blank space? Entered. So at the blank space enter. When she entered the area between Florida and Puerto Rico, which is again no is there in the bracket. And at the blank space we have to write which is known, past participle form of the verb, because is there, is helping verb is there, is plus third form which is known as Bermuda Triangle. So these forms are there in the bracket and we have written some past form and some past participle form of the verb. Now the next, she in the bracket remember her conversation with a fellow pilot. Now in the bracket remember and she remembered. Now here we have to write the second form of the verb remember. Remembered. Ed will come there. So she remembered her conversation with a fellow pilot. He now has is there in the bracket. So has second form is had. So what will come at the blank space? Had. He had. Again tale is there. Tale become told. Tale become told, has become had. So he had told her that there exist is there. Now in the bracket exist. So what will be the second form of the exist? Existed. Ed. So he had told her that her existed a dead air space is in this region. No radio signals. Now no radio signals, after signals blank space and in the bracket can. So can become could. Can become could. No radio signal could reach there. No radio signal could reach there as she. Now the contact is there in the bracket. So what will come at the blank space? Contacted. Ed. As she contacted the flight service to check the weather and the weather steadily Again become is there in the bracket. Steadily the weather steadily became. Steadily became more and more erratic. Suddenly a dark blanket of fog enveloped her plane. Thranton, now the loss is there. Then loss become lost. The past form of loss is lost. Lost sight of the horizon and city light. There was only pitch black darkness outside. She in the blank space, she blank space is there in the bracket try. Try become tried. In the blank space tried will come, tried to remain calm. Now I read, I hope student you have written this all the second and the past participle form of the verb at the blank space. Now I read the whole passage for you. One evening in 1995, Carrie Gordon Trantham was returning home from Florida where her daughter stayed. An experienced pilot, she was flying a small Piper Warrior over the open water. The sun was beginning to set when she entered the area between Florida and Puerto Rico, which is known as the Bermuda Triangle. She remembered her conversation with a fellow pilot. He had told her that there existed a dead airspace in this region. No radio signal could reach there as she contacted the flight service to check the weather, and the weather steadily became more and more erratic. Suddenly, a dark blanket of fog enveloped her plane. Trantham lost sight of the horizon and city lights. There was only pitch black darkness outside. She tried to remain calm. So here I have just written, we have just completed this extension exercise by using the past form and the past participle form of the verb. So you just note down this all in your notebook also, and I hope you have written this all the main past form and the past participle form in the blank spaces. Now here we have completed unit 6 verb and their past participle form also. There are 3 forms of the verb: past, main verb, past form and the past participle form. And here we have completed the focus exercise A, practice exercise A and extension exercise also. So we'll meet soon in the next video with unit 7 present tense. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.